Hi, I'm James from Reply, and I'm a principal consultant focusing on Microsoft Purview. And today, we're discussing the importance of technical readiness for launching Copilot within your organization. Let's dive in. Technical readiness refers to the state of preparedness for your organization's infrastructure, tools, and processes to properly support the rollout of Copilot. It ensures your systems are capable of handling AI workloads and that your team is able to manage and support rolling out AI solutions such as Copilot. Organizations should care about technical readiness because without it, your organization can face delays, user frustration, and even failure. Being technically ready means you can smoothly roll out Copilot, achieve desired outcomes faster, and maintain a competitive edge. It also ensures that Copilot and related systems are secure, compliant, and scalable.
To achieve technical readiness, organizations should ensure they have the necessary software tools. For example, having Copilot licenses is key, of course, but should also review your current platform, such as SharePoint, to ensure that you're not oversharing and that you have proper data integrity. You'll also want to assess your IT infrastructure team and your change and adoption team's capabilities to support rolling out AI. You'll want to look at everything from their technical capabilities to training and adoption. Prior to rolling out Copilot, you'll want to take a good look at your data protection systems and look for any weak points. It's ideal to use Microsoft Purview to configure sensitivity labels, retention policies, even DLP, and ensure those policies match up against industry regulations. If you haven't rolled out a comprehensive data protection implementation yet, it is at least worth considering, and it is certainly worth revisiting once you start rolling out Copilot. You're going to want to start with pilot projects to roll out Copilots using real-world scenarios. Gather feedback, make necessary adjustments, and perform A/B testing. Make sure to look out for ROI, but also don't ignore ROE, return on employee. Invest in your team to manage and optimize Copilot. Then move on to continuously monitor and keep abreast of technological advancements. You're going to want to adapt to changing business needs and prepare a business case for a wider wallet. Technical readiness is crucial for successful Copilot integration. By preparing your infrastructure, reviewing your risk and compliance, and planning your next steps, your organization can harness the full potential of AI solutions such as Copilot. You can check out our webinar series where I dive into this in a lot more detail. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.